This is a video that goes out to shows like the Power Block, Pimp My Ride, and Overhaulin. You know, us as the muscle car enthusiast public, we're sick and tired of seeing these 350 automatic coupes, wasting your time restoring it. Well, check out my numbers matching big block 4-speed posi 68 Firebird convertible. Has all the original motor, all the original drivetrain, all the original options. I've added things like disc brakes and a tilt. Here's my build sheet to prove it. 400, and then we got here manual transmission. Goes into posi on the second page. Look at all this yellow on the first page. This car is the most loaded Firebird I have ever seen. Now, to go around the car, look how clean the body is. You know, and of course, it's a convertible. Got AM, FM radio, tilt, deluxe seats, deluxe interior, CAC, gauges, 400 4-speed posi, disc brakes, convertible, power top. I mean, this car is the most loaded Firebird I've ever seen. And you're probably looking at one of about 5, maybe 10 in existence as being a numbers matching 400 4-speed convertible. This car even runs with the original motor, but I blew the radiator. You know, look how clean the body is, even down here. You know, Pimp My Ride, Overhauling, the Power Block. If you're gonna develop these shows and do a car that is going to get attention, be incredibly cool, and come out of their museum piece, don't waste your time on a 350 72 Chevelle. This is something worth your time. It's pretty much a rolling body that it runs and drives. I've done all the machine rubber with the bushings and everything in the drivetrain. You know, it needs some interior. It basically needs some TLC and paperwork. I mean, and body work. But again, you know, if you're gonna produce a show with something that's cool. I can even give you a choice. In fact, there's my 69 big block 4-speed posi Firebird convertible. So take your choice, the 69 or the 68. But make a choice and contact me. If you're gonna do a show, do one on something that's worth it.
HorrorDomain.com. Subscribe or suffer.